Hi guys, today we are going to rebuild this render and compositing, and if you want this sequence you can join me in my Patreon as a free members, and you can download this sequence free. And I have other parts from this tutorial, how to create simulation and look there and everything, if you want more depth knowledge. And let's get started. Press R and load our render, turn on sequence here, and load our CryptoMate 2. And press S in node graph area and choose correct resolution, project's resolution, because our render is full HD and we need full HD here too. And 24 FPS is fine. This is the frame range in my case. In OCI color management, we need OCIO and OCI config. You should turn on ACES color space. I use a custom one. Okay. This is our animation. Let's select our read node, render node, and press dots and create dot here. Okay, and see our passes. This is our whole passes. We have lots of useful passes here. And let's rebuild our beauty. Add shuffle node and connect here, and we need diffuse in our channel here. Okay, we can rename here our shuffle, or we can use small expression and it will be automatically renamed per channel. All right, let's copy and paste, and we need glossy reflection here. We have glossy reflection, we have diffuse. Let's merge each other's. Add M in our keyboard. Connect here and connect here. B is always down in our node graph tree. Operation will be plus. Basically, new operation is always plus or multiply when we rebuild our beauties. Let's copy and paste one more time. And let's choose transmission. Copy and paste our merge, and Shift X is switch inputs. Okay. Connect our transmission, and we have transmission here. Great. Let's copy one more time and choose our SSS, subsurface scattering, from our Karma render from Houdini. Copy and paste one more time. Process is exactly the same, as you can see. Great. We need HDRI here in our passes. This is called visible light in Karma render. Copy and paste. Connect here. We miss one channel, our volumetric. Copy and paste. Break connection here. And choose volume combine. This is our volume object in my background. Let's merge HDRI and volume here, each other's. And as you can see, our rebuild render match our original render. Okay. We have CryptoMate here. Let's add backdrop. Great. We have diffuse, we have glossy reflection, transmission, SSS, HDRI background, and volume. And we have render here, and we have no difference our rebuild version. We can manipulate our SSS channel. Let's press C or add color correction node. And we can boost our SSS, or, for example, change color if we want. Okay. We can tweak parameters. This is our highlights, this is our saturation. Okay, it's a little better. We can do same in transmission channel here. Press C and create color correction node. Let's add Cryptomate and connect here and control click our fluid objects, and we have alpha here, hide input. We don't need input at the moment. Connect here in our mask channel, and we have control only fluid object, and we don't touch background or water on something else. Great. Use another Cryptomate and choose our floor here, hide inputs. And we can use this in transmission channel. We have control only water. We don't touch anything else. All right. Okay, we can tweak a little. All right, a little better. We have HDRI here, visible light background. And we can do usual things. Control click here in our gamma slider, and we can shift our temperature, brightness, saturation, typical things. This is our volume object in our background, and we can do same here. All right. Press G and create grade node. This is our reflection in entire scene's reflection. It's affected whole scene, as you can see, except background, besides background. And this is our diffuse. Okay, we can kill diffuse completely or boost a little or change color. Add another Cryptomate and choose rock object here, and we can use this mask in our diffuse channel and boost our multiply little or gain. Press dot here in our keyboard and code lens fx. And let's add sharpness our render. Okay, let's add color space node and switch output to Alexa log C and add sharpness this space. Okay, sharpen this space and copy and paste our color space and switch input output. It's turned back our original render, and sharpness is happening in between, as you can see. It's a very good way to add sharpness, and it's not cause black lines in our renders. Press M and create merge node and merge our original render and sharpness render, and operation will be max. Okay, and as you can see, we can tweak our mix slider. All right, add softness here because we need little softness in our render. Basically, CG renders typical are very sharp and it's not imperfection and anything, and that's why I using softness at the moment. And always good idea to add some imperfection and lens effects. in our renders because we don't want to looks very CG. Let's add checkerboard and create camera shake. I think camera shake adds more realistic touches in our render, and it will be more better. Let's tweak some parameters and catch interesting camera motions. This camera shake gives our render more life, okay? It's more interesting in visual way. As you can see, we have a little crop here. I think it's mirror happening in the corner, but it's okay right now. As you can see, it's way better. Render have more life, you know. We can scale up our crop area if we want, but at the moment, let's leave default. This is our grade category here. And we can use typical things in this area and create some contrasts, saturation. This is our mid-tone value here in our render. All right. We can use grade. This will be vignette. Press O and create roto. We can use ellipse. And we need inverse our ellipse. Press B and blur our ellipse a lot. We need more space here. And connect here. And let's turn down our gamma and multiply gain, sorry. And we have little darkness is corner area. It's very good things because we need manage audience eyes in our center object. The center object is fluid at the moment from our render. Let's update our plugin and add L grain and add little grain in our renders. It add more depth in our renders and it's not will be super clear. Good. Let's copy and paste our shuffle node, and we have very interesting path here, facing ratio. Okay. Drag and drop our this facing ratio in red slider. We can do in three green and blue channel too, if we want. Let's adjust our mask a little. Right. Press G and connect here. We need red channel in mask because we don't have alpha, and as you can see, it's working. Paste our channel, mask channel. Okay. Let's delete both of us and invert our mask, and as you can see, it become very interesting mask. Okay. Press G and add grade and tweak our tone and brightness here, not tone, brightness. Add a cryptomate, and we need mask our rock and fluid objects, and we need to merge these two mask and facing mask each other's, and operation will be mask, and as you can see, we have only fluid masks. add G here, create grade, and use, it's not working because we need red channel here. And as you can see, it creates very interesting lighting effects in edge corners, fluid edge corners. Let's add grade node and connect our CryptoMate, and I think it's a little bright. We can crank down. Okay, as you can see, we have more shape here and more depth. We can restrict our value here. We don't want very bright areas. Cool. It's way better right now, I think. This is our animation at the moment. Add ramp and adjust our position. All right. It will be smooth interpolation, and press G and create grade node and connect here in mask channel, and we need a little dark area in top part. We can change color, and as you can see, it's way better and more interesting in our render. As you can see, we can manipulate our mask radius if you want. Okay. All right. Let's connect our grain in very last node trees here. And we need crop because we don't need change our original render resolution. Format here and ready to go. Thank you, and there's the animation, and see you soon. Bye.